So hi friends, I'm Tilak and you're watching Tech Made Me Unique, and today we're going to see a super fantastic Instagram filter like this. And if you are new to this channel, make sure to click on the subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video. So first of all, open your Instagram, click on the effect option here and just search as Goku Super SAIYAN. After clicking this, you can find the first filter I just talking about. Just click on this. So you can see you have a Goku filter. When you open your mouth, so the fire will be rise and rise. It's so looking cool. If you make it on any side of the face or any distance, it doesn't matter, the filter is still on and it has a full length filter. So you can make a long shot, also you can have a closer shot. The eye was sliding and the hair here and the fire also here. I think this is best filter for the Goku and Dragon Ball Z fans. I think this video helped you a lot. If it is really helped you a lot, like this video, share this video with your friends, and don't forget to click on subscribe button below. If you want more Instagram filters like this, I'm making a short videos about the Instagram filters. You just follow this channel. We will meet on next video with super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech Made Me Unique. Have a wonderful day.